the official launch of on Big Mobility. What exactly are we doing? First, let me give you a background where we come from. I am from the travel trade for 25 years. This is my third startup. I did Via.com, followed by Magic Rooms, and now we are doing Trip 38. Fortunately or unfortunately, I'm still in the travel space for the last 10 years in the development. Markish was with me in Magic Rooms. Shesh come from a very high technology Sapient background. He was a director of Sapient. What are we doing here? Since we're in the travel space, we do know, all of you agree that it's a crowded space. We all know that. There are enough solutions when it comes to pre-planning. There are enough players providing solutions when you want to do transactions. But we did observe that post-planning is one area, not many solutions are there other than probably you have to go for multiple areas. Let me give you my way. If I want to travel, then probably you'll understand better. What exactly do I want to travel? I want my ticket on my mobile. What do I want? I want to know more about duty-free shopping when I'm traveling. If I'm going Bangalore, Dubai, I want to know at least what are the shops that are in Dubai, duty-free, and if there are any offers there. Why not? And I might have done the booking on the OTA. I want to know more about the hotel. My spouse might have made a booking. What about the hotel? How does it look like? What are the various facilities, features in the hotel? This I like. I'm a vegetarian, and I can survive with pasta or sandwich probably for 2 days. Third day, I need Indian food. I don't know how many of you, but I am like that. I want to know wherever I want to know the nearest Indian restaurant. And all these years, so far, the solution has been the hotel concierge. Agent cannot do much. He can say, go to the hotel, guide you. So why not I know which are the Indian restaurants around? Attractions. Whenever you buy a package, whether you buy on an OTA or a travel agent, it's a 3-day tour, say in Singapore, or it could be Oslo in Norway. But they'll give you a half-a-day city sightseeing tour. Balance the day for on your own. Free on your own, what am I supposed to do? So what do you do? My wife will do all the Google. Finally, she will have so many things on her diary. And she will get confused and arrive. You go to the concierge again, you take probably another tour, pay for it. Why not at least you explore what are the things that you like rather than getting conned at the concierge. Local event. This is something that all of us want to know. I'm a travel agent. Why not I know what is happening if there's a travel exhibition happening there? If I'm a technology guy, is there any symposium happening there? Why not I know before I arrive there? Offers around. We all like offers. Especially when you are going shopping, we want to know, we are in the mood, how much money we have taken. We want to spend that money and spend that wisely. Why not know that? Weather. Well, at least you know you are traveling USA or any other country, you at least want to know the weather so that at least you can pack properly. These are the things that we always ask agent or friends or Google, right? This is something many business travelers would like to have, traveling anywhere. Maybe somebody has come from Hyderabad to Bangalore, you want to know which is the local taxi, right? Helpline. Yes, this do happen. We all want to know, to call our agent, how to reach. Police, ambulance, it's all required. Embassy. Again, for emergency, you lose a passport, something happened, at least you know which is the nearest embassy for you to address. These are the basic wish list we felt we had required before we launched it. What if I put this whole thing in an app? That's what we thought. And the most important thing in this app is once you download the app and put the hotel and the into this, we create a guide, the whole thing gets downloaded into the app. You don't need data connection when you're traveling. That is the key. If you have data connection, you know how much it costs. So we know if it's a no-brainer, nobody is going to use my app. If I say open the app, use the data connection, go through all this. Then they say I might as well Google, I might as well use Yelp, I might as well use TripAdvisor, things like that. What if I give the whole thing in one summary? That's what we are doing. It's a smart travel planning mobile app to deliver location-specific content to consumer based on the travel date and city hotel info. All we ask when you download an app is the city you are going, the hotel you are going, from date to date. That's it. We create this entire content for you. It could be multiple cities, doesn't matter. How does this work? Very simple. Once you download an app, there are very simple way. If people know Trip, it. Oh, quite a few of you. So similar to trip module, you just have to forward your hotel voucher to the trip38.com. We can read the whole thing. We read more than 200 different formats. Our system can read and immediately create. And agents also have an option. We provide the agencies. They can create a guide just putting hotel, city, date. They push this content into the app for the customer. Consumer automatically, if he doesn't have an app, he presses that link and the app is with the content. So very, very demo I would like to give you now. Marcus, would you like to give the demo? After one comes. Would you like to? You want to give the demo?
Yeah. Probably this is a list of few trips which my development mission, so you'll see a lot of trips. I may not be traveling this much, but let's say let me start with this 13-day trip to New Zealand. So, moment, it lists out all the list of cities which I am covering. We call it guides for a particular city, right? Each city consists of my stay detail. Starting, I'll take you through a stay. I'm staying. It's basically it includes your reservation in starting from your check-in, check-out, room details, who has booked it. If we can recognize more details like reservation, the room category, whatever is available in the format, we tend to. And if I have sent a PDF or a HTML, I provide a link so that that PDF also gets downloaded here so that I can show the PDF as a mobile check-in. Right? And this is a more, it's just a more of information. Then the contact details along with the map. Currently this app is in offline mode, so I'm giving a route map, which is in Google map version. Otherwise, we give a navigation. And this is the restaurants. So we do have cuisine and all other categories. Since we go by the user profile, right? And whenever the map app is in offline mode, basically, and I don't have data access to the route map, otherwise it's always navigation, and you get the everything together, right? And list of attractions. So little bit of local events. This is a dynamic event, and the data thing, whenever you get a data connection, right? So including weather. Weather, we just show the weather of D+5, that's next 5 days, right? And a little bit of helpline. Yeah, then the embassy details as well.